guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my January mid-month check-in and also my goals for my low buy year. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. So I've broken my low buy year into two categories. The first are things that I am not going to buy at all, and the second is the things that I plan to buy only if I'm going to replace them. There are a lot of things that I already have, so when I started doing this, the first thing I did was I did kind of an inventory of what I already had, from personal hygiene, cleaning supplies, kitchen products, crafting supplies, books, and stuff that I tend to spend not a lot of money on, but they're not really necessities. So the first category that's on my no spending are books, planners, notebooks, journals, stickers, and crafting supplies. I have all of these things. I have more than enough. If I need to redate a planner, I can redate a planner. I have probably about 5 or 6 notebooks and journals. I have tons of stickers that I really need to use up, and that's what I've been doing this last month. And I also have the supplies to make stickers if there's something specific that I wanted. So that was the first thing. The second thing is personal hygiene that I'm not going to spend any money on. Lotion, body wash, hair care products, and skincare products, and bar soap. I have like 10 bars of soap, 3 or 4 body washes, 3 or 4 lotions. So the next area is cleaning supplies, and I only use like the basics for cleaning. I do need to get some more laundry detergent, but I'll get that when it's on sale. Air fresheners, plug-ins. First of all, they're probably not that great for you. And second of all, I have some that I just need to use up or donate. My goal is once I've used those up, I'm gonna use like natural oils instead of air fresheners. And then candles. I have some candles that I'll use up. I have the supplies to make candles, so I'm really not going to be buying any candles. The next one is paper goods or plastic goods. I don't usually use, other than toilet paper, I don't usually use many paper goods. I'm trying my best not to use plastic bags or Ziploc bags. I do use them on occasion, but on a regular I don't. I normally use like Tupperware containers. Kitchen items. I don't really need any kitchen items. I borrow from my mom. Items that I will be replacing. So I have 2 hoodies, zipper hoodies, that I need to replace. The zipper's gone on them, so I will replace that. I need maybe 2 more pair of socks. I just want to switch out my socks. They're losing their elasticity, is that how you say it? And maybe a pair of walking shoes. Part of my low buy years, I'm only going to eat out once a month. And when it comes to buying food and stuff, I'm just going to buy the basics and try to make things from scratch. So that is all that I have for my low buy year. In a minute, I'll go ahead and start my mid-month January check-in. Okay guys, so now I am going to start my January mid-month check-in. And I'm going to start by highlighting my current expenses. The first one is a business expense. It's a subscription. I have a couple of birthday expenses. My niece's birthday, Mom's birthday. I'm actually gonna get her something else. Her birthday's not till next week. So that's half of her birthday. Next is a personal expense. I bought some pens on Amazon. I've gotten into coloring again. It's been really cold, so we've been in the house a lot. Health. There's a prescription. Actually 2. Haven't bought any food. I do have a general shopping expense. I don't know what color I'm gonna make that. I'll figure that out in a minute. Transportation was parking was $5. So this is a home expense. I actually bought a lamp. I'm gonna make my miscellaneous, not really miscellaneous, but my shopping expenses this color. There shouldn't be too many, at least not this month. Okay, so now I'm gonna transfer these into my actual budget. Pharmacy, I actually spent $60. Personal so far, I'm not sure how to track. I feel like I should probably move this up here, but I'm not sure yet. Home. I'm gonna round this up to $40. It was 37 something, but I am gonna round it up. Business expense was $12.99. I've already been charged for this. I think next month I'm gonna try and pay this in full. Birthday, so I'll put $13.78 plus $20 is $33.78. So I'm just gonna put $35. Yes, I'm rounding everything up. I'm not doing it on the exact dollar. Parking so far has been $5. I have not gone to the grocery store. I decided not to. I'm gonna wait till I get back. And I've just been eating the food out of my pantry. And we did rent. It's $500. Is that everything? Oh, Mom's birthday. So far I've spent $50 on my mom. Now let's add some of this stuff up. I did put, let me turn this sideways. I did put $250 in my emergency savings. I did save $50 for health and $50 for holidays, so that is done. All those are done. For my IRA, I only put in $500, so that is done. And then I think starting next month, I'm gonna start putting $700 in a month, and I'm gonna do that for 10 months. I'm gonna have no food expenses, $500 for the rent or housing. We got $5 for parking. We haven't gotten on our trip yet. Pharmacy, I was over. My copays were a little bit more than I thought they were gonna be, but that's okay. I spent $10 for personal, $40 for home, which I didn't really plan on spending. And then I would say so far I spent $85 for birthdays. I'm gonna add all these up, and yeah, I'm gonna add up all these and just give a general overview of what I've spent, or to give you a general overview of what I've spent. Okay, so now I'm gonna total these up. First we have $350 for savings, plus $500 for investing, plus another $500 for rent, $5 for parking, $60 for help, $10 for personal. Yes, I'm rounding these up and down. It just makes it a little bit easier. $40 for home. And then so far $85 for birthday. And that is it. So far we spent $1,550. My income so far is the $2,938. We do have cash to take on our trip, but we still need to go put that in the bank before we go. And this is the overview of my budget. I'm happy that I was able to save what I wanted to, or what I felt like was a good amount to save, and I think this is going to be the amount I save every month. I'm glad that I was able to invest and max out my IRA. Yeah, I think I'm feeling pretty good about these expenses. So if I take this amount, let me write it. Where should I write it? Write it right here. $1,550. Okay. So 2,930 minus 1,550 equals, so we have $1,000 in cash and then $380 in my checking account. So yeah, I think when I come back I'll go grocery shopping, and I think I'll do maybe one big grocery shop to get everything I need for the rest of the month. I don't think I have any more prescriptions that I need. Hopefully I won't go too crazy on my trip. And so that is my January mid-month check-in. And like I said, these are the expenses from January 1st through the 15th. And then at the end of the month, I'll do a closeout, and that'll be from the 16th to the 31st. So that is my January mid-month check-in. Let me know how you're doing with your budget. If you're gonna plan on doing a low spend, no spend, or if you're just trying to recoup from the holiday season. As always, I thank you for watching. Leave any tips, tricks, comments below, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.